Bonjour French chic ladies, it's Marianne Lecoeur and I have been asked, Marianne, how do you style navy blue? So this is why this video today is about how to style a silk navy blue blouse. If you're new to my channel, a big welcome to you and please subscribe and don't forget to click on that little bell in order to receive my video notifications. Merci. So this morning I went around my wardrobe to select the outfits that I could show you on this video. But there was so many options for outfits, dozens and dozens of outfits really, that this video would have taken probably 2 or 3 hours. So I had to really, bring things down to a smaller topic. Okay, so this is why this video today is about how to style a silk navy blue blouse with a pair of jeans. And of course, I will do further videos later on about how to style other navy blue items. So first of all, before I start this video, I would like to give a big shout out to Mary Penissy. Mary asked, would you please do a video on how to style navy? It's my favorite color, but I'm curious to know what other colors you'd pair it with and if you would pair it with black or what type of white cream. Merci. So Mary, I hope you will enjoy this video. I will pair this navy blue blouse with these jeans to give you, a number of outfits that are casual chic, to dress up the pair of jeans and also dress down this navy blue blouse. So I hope you find it helpful. As you may know, and I have mentioned it in my courses and also in some other videos, navy blue is one of the preferred colors of the French people. Navy blue is a versatile color for us in our wardrobe. As you know, my wardrobe, you see navy blue and certainly, blue in particular, but navy blue mainly. In France, in shops, you will often hear French people ask, do you have this item in navy blue? Because most items are sold in navy blue. You will see navy blue in France everywhere, for men, women, children of every age. A tip here for you, navy blue is a color that suits a lot of complexion. And for instance, if you were used to wearing black when you were younger, but now your face has changed, maybe it's a little bit paler, your hair color is a little bit lighter, maybe you're going grey, and you find that black no longer suits you. Or maybe you are not one of those who find anyway, no matter your age, that black is too dark for you, too stark, too harsh. And you can choose a navy blue because it is much kinder to the complexion and also just not always as formal as black. And with this blouse like this, you can tuck it in your jeans or you can wear it loose. For ladies who have a little bit of a tummy, they prefer to wear it loose. It's very good because it's not overly long, so it still looks, very smart, very lady. You don't have to tuck everything. If you wish to tuck it in, tuck it in. If you wish to tuck in just the front, just tuck the front. If you wish to leave it loose, just leave it loose. So as I go around my own wardrobe, I see so many things I can wear, with this ensemble, with this silk blouse and the jeans. So sweaters. So I'm going around, and of course I could wear something pink. Okay, pink and navy blue go really well together. I could wear also grey. A no-brainer would be navy blue, and I can wear also my striped sweater. So of course the silk, especially in this style, is a very smart blouse. So pairing it with a pair of trousers is a way to give more mileage to a smart blouse. You don't have to wear it only for smart occasions, but you can wear it for for casual places, for instance, a restaurant that is not, overly smart, but, not too casual. And it gives, again, as I said, more longevity, more mileage, more versatility to an item that, that may appear at first a little bit too stylish for many people. So I have this scarf, white with navy blue spot. Of course, that will go very well with this. And this red scarf with flowers. So, red, blue and white. And I love this combination also, navy blue with some red and some white. And this is something I wear very often, or also, navy blue and white. For instance, in the summer, I like to wear white, but not only for the summer. And of course, instead of red, for instance, in the winter, you can also wear, burgundy, plum, that kind of colors that go very well as well. And, what I think is navy blue can be worn with so many other things. Most colors, even black, because, you could wear with the navy blue jeans, of course, a pair of black boots, a pair of black shoes. And some people may think that with a pair of navy blue jeans, you have to wear navy blue shoes. You don't have to. And many French people wear, for instance, brown. They pair brown as an accent color to the navy blue. Otherwise, if you wear whole navy outfit, from a hat, a jacket, a blouse or a sweater, navy blue jeans and navy blue shoes, it's a lot of navy and probably too much. You can get away with in black, but in navy blue sometimes may look a little bit too uniform, a bit too much. So you need a color, an accent color, that's going to lighten up the navy blue look. So you can add, for instance, white. You can add the off-white or the beige, or the brown, a little bit of red, that kind of thing. And now a couple of belts I can show you. Red, that would be lovely to wear also with this ensemble, or brown. And brown, it doesn't have to be dark brown, it can be mid brown, it can be light brown. It can also be the nude, the nude neutrals. Depends on your shoes, depends on your handbag, it depends on, maybe your jacket or your cardigan or your sweater, whichever you want to match it with, or whichever accent color you have picked. Of course, picking just one, two at maximum accent color is enough, usually just one, so that it's, your outfit is not overly busy. Also, you can use a wrap, as in this one. You have seen me wear this one when I was in Paris, and this look very elegant, and you don't have to wear a jacket if you wear that, but of course you can wear this over a jacket. So this is especially good when you travel, it is warm, you wrap yourself in this, you look elegant, but also it's comfortable and warm, and it's all your own thing. Instead of using, for instance, a plain, the blanket they give you on the plane. And of course, me, I love red. So pairing, another wrap here in bright red with the navy. This looks very elegant. But it may look a little bit too dressy, but because you have your jeans, it dresses down, that look, and it's I find it very versatile. There's no need ever to travel, in frumpy clothes. So, ripped jeans and trainers and a loose t-shirt and sweatshirt, I find it very frumpy, to be honest, when I was traveling. But you have a nice wrap. You wrap yourself in that. It can be red, it can be another color, as the one I showed you, like in a light brown neutral. That goes with every of your clothes. A grey, for instance, as well. Grey goes with everything. So lovely, really elegant neutral as well. So have a look in your wardrobe, the kind of neutral you can have, and add those pieces, because these will give you even more versatility for your outfit, while still making you look chic and elegant. So now we're going to talk about shoes, and of course it is the winter here, so I can't show you sandals, but you can do also the same with sandals. So we have the browns. So this one is a mid brown, that will go very well with your navy blue and your blue jeans. And of course, we can go with black, as I mentioned earlier. You can go with black, and don't be afraid of wearing black footwear with your navy blue jeans. And of course, you can wear navy pumps, and that goes very well as well. And of course, I've got a pair of red shoes. So the red shoes, they add a sense of fun and even a little bit of a sexy. I love red in its smooth touch. That looks really nice with this outfit. So please let me know so far what is your favorite accessory, or your favorite sweater, or your favorite wrap. Which one would you choose? Oh, just before I show you the jackets and the coats, I have to show you the latest addition to my hat collection. And this is this cap. It is a beautiful cap, and it's from the Stetson brand. Stetson, we know, is a great brand, and I bought that, of course, from the hat shop here in Cherbourg called Declic. Merci Miriam, if you are watching. And I absolutely love this. I have been wearing it a few times already, and I think that will be a very good addition to this outfit. So please let me know if you like my navy cap. So now the jackets and coats. So I went through my wardrobe. Of course, again, it is winter, so you're going to see mainly, for autumn winter style. So my dark brown navy jacket. So this type of jacket is very versatile, well loved by everybody. It's been the trend for years and years. Many people, many women have them in black or brown or even in other colors. It doesn't really matter. What matters is what you wear, what suits you, what you love. Okay, we know that already. So I love this jacket. It is soft leather. I love the dark brown, and that can be worn with so many things. Again, have a look what you could wear a jacket with, and of course it needs to be worn to be able to be worn with as many items as you have, because usually a jacket, especially a leather jacket, is an investment. So have a look, and you can see here, I'm going to put it on for you, and you can see strangely how it goes. It goes well. I said strangely because you'd think that something like a navy blue silk, and this one is a dressy blouse, being worn with a sporty kind of casual look, with rock style as well. It may look a little bit strange at first, but it is good sometimes to have a little contrast in your outfits. So not all dressy, and they have a little bit of the unexpected. So please let me know what you think of this look with this dark brown leather jacket. And of course it goes very well with my pea coat from Saint-James. I have shown it before. And of course this jacket goes very well with my mariner's cap or captain cap. So here is a jacket, my green jacket. I absolutely love this jacket. It's so beautiful, and I have had it for years, as you know. I bought it in Venice in wool, and that goes very well again with this blouse. But this jacket is quite dressy, and with this as well, with this blouse, the look is dressy. But thanks to your blue jean, it's just it dresses down a bit the look, and I really like that. Again, think about the contrast. Not only in style, dressy and casual, okay, but also of the fabric. Wool with the silk, okay, different look, different feel. Okay, this is a little bit rough, and this is very smooth. The texture is matte, this texture is shiny. So think of that, when you create an outfit, try different contrast, because it adds a little bit of interest to your outfit. And multicolored jacket that I've got. When did I get this one? I think last year. I'm not too sure if it's 1 or 2 years now. But it is multicolored, and actually having a multicolored jacket makes it very versatile. So here we have bleu, blanc, rouge, which are the 3 colors I wear. Blue, red and white. We've also got a little bit of green in there. We've got a little bit of a kind of a yellow. I never wear yellow, but it's in it, so it will stay. So of course this is kind of a casual chic, not quite smart, but not quite casual, too casual. So of course it goes well with this, and I really love that look with a pair of jeans, and that could be dressed up with a navy blue satin skirt, for instance. So going through my wardrobe again, I have this bleu, blanc, rouge cardigan, wool cardigan, and of course another no-brainer that goes well together. And of course, if you have something like that in your wardrobe, this is a very versatile piece to have. Of course, if you wear navy blue, but of course you have some red here, so you can wear a red blouse underneath. You can have white. You can wear white. It depends on what you wear, but always find something that brings in the colors that you usually wear. So now another jacket of mine. I love jacket, as you know. Not so much the handbags. I love jackets even more than handbags. And my well-loved blazer, this one, actually wore it for the first time in Jersey when Prince Charles was visiting. He was there with Camilla, and I wore this blazer for the first time. So it is a number of years old. I don't remember the year it came around. Was it about 2012 maybe? So here you are. That's a good 8 years. And look how good it looks. Again, a different texture. You have some piping as well. You have the gold buttons that go well with the gold detailing on the neckline of the blouse. I really love this look. And please let me know what you think of this outfit and all the other outfits that you have seen so far. Another favorite jacket of mine, navy. Oh, this one I have I've had it for so long and it looks absolutely still beautiful. It is a small jacket but can be dressed down. It is in boiled wool, again the same as my long peacoat that you have seen, and it's a jacket that I will have, for years and years to come. That goes very well. Again, what I love is the difference in texture, and it goes very well, dresses down the silk blouse but elevates a casual look. And the last one will be my grey coat. This one is a fairly new coat. I've had it just a few weeks, and of course this is in a neutral color, in the grey, and it looks beautiful. I'm going to put it on. it feels so good. I love this coat, and of course I love all my clothes. So I really like that. It's beautiful on, and you can see how good it looks and how good it feels. So yes, you can wear your navy blue jeans with your really smart grey coat that go really well, and look with the silk blouse, it goes really well as well. So please let me know what you think of these outfits. Which one's your favorite? What do you like? Which ones you don't like as much? Do you wear navy? Are you going to wear navy? Please let us know in the comments below. Oh, and another thing, if you enjoy my videos, please share my channel or my videos, on your social media, and introduce me to your many friends. Thank you very much for watching. À bientôt!